Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to take a few moments to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving. I hope you all got to spend the day with all of the people that you're thankful for, so your family and your friends, and I hope you guys had an awesome meal as well. I know all I've been doing all day is eating and snacking away, and it was amazing. I spent the day cooking with my mom and my aunt, and the food came out great and it was really delicious. So in this video, you're going to see some clips of how we celebrated here in Florida, and then I'm going to show you guys how some of my family in New York, or the New York crew, celebrated their Thanksgiving. It was a lot of food, it was a lot of family, and a lot of friends, and it was an overall great day. So I hope you guys share some of your Thanksgiving Day events with me down in the comment section, and I hope you guys just had a great day. I'll see you guys again in another one of my awesome recipes.
Happy Thanksgiving!
From Matthew's Guyanese cooking to your kitchen.
Matthew's creamy mac and cheese, Auntie Kavita's stuffing with giblets, yum. And the ham, everyone's favorite. Our roasted veggies, always yummy. And here's the main attraction, the turkey. With our cranberry relish on the side. And Matthew's gravy. Some coconut peas and rice, and that creamy mashed potato. And there you have Matthew's veggie stuffing.
Thank you every day, and we thank you for all blessings you have bestowed upon us. We thank you for who you are, all powerful, all knowing, and we ask a special blessing on this family for having us here today, gathered for this purpose, to give you thanks and praise and to celebrate with them. You have been good to this family.
Happy Thanksgiving! Okay, choke me by.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving!
That's for him.
Go.
There's more stuff in
Happy Thanksgiving.
Sure. Cheese!